Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Jorgenson, or Pony, part number AC7437. This is a replacement set of pads for your bar clamps. And this video is to just simply show you the visual evidence of what this packaging currently looks like. A set of 4. You'll have them for the rectangular ones for the top of the clamp, and then the round ones for the portion connected to the threaded handle. Threaded handle, and then the top of the clamp is here. Let's switch to the screen view now, and let's just take a closer look at some supporting documentation. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, here is the item that we're looking at. They show these in orange. It's probably what the color of these were back in 2016, 2018 perhaps. Pony was a company that was near the intersection of Grand and Western Avenue in Chicago. A lot of industry is there, certainly was there over the decades. They went silent for sure. They either went out of business and somebody bought the name or restarted some of the manufacturing, but we're able to get these replacement pads now in the year 2021. Images of what those pads look like. And I don't really know positively the relationship between Jorgenson and Pony. I always knew it as a Pony clamp. And a Pony clamp is an ingenious clamp system where you could build very strong clamps very inexpensively. And to me, a Pony clamp was basically this. The orange and the black handle. This just goes over a typical 3/4 inch water pipe. Well, black pipe, gas pipe, not water pipe. I suppose galvanized pipe, sure. Very, very inexpensive, very tough clamp system that you can put together. And what's nice about the Pony clamp system is you need an 8-foot clamp? Great. Go get a 10-foot piece of pipe. You've got an 8-foot clamp. The downside of those is if you put enough pressure on that, you will definitely bend those clamps, bend the bars, or the pipe, I should say. But for doing a lot of work, a lot of different types of work, I mean to say, they're showing a picture of some woodworking here. Imagine if this wasn't about 12 inch, but it was 48 inch, and we were gluing something together. It would work out perfectly. If this was a door and we were clamping something back together, it would just be perfect for that. Very inexpensive clamps. PonyJorgenson.com. Contact us. Okay, they are definitely not in Chicago anymore, that's for sure. They definitely used to be. That's absolutely accurate. Yeah, Adjustable Clamp Company, right here. This is who I'm thinking of. Adjustable Clamp Company. Jorgenson hand screw clamp from the 1950s. Ashland. 417 North Ashland, not Western Ashland. I think Ashland is 3400 West in Chicago, and Grand Avenue at that point might be about 1200 North. I'm guessing. Don't quote me. I'm just going off memory. But that's what I'm thinking of. Okay. 1955. There's your good old Pony clamp right there. Interesting little deep dive. Made in Chicago Museum. I'm from Chicago. I'm unaware of this website. Going to take a closer look at all of this stuff. Neat. Okay, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, as seen here, where you can pull up not only all of the Pony clamp Jorgenson material that we sell, provided it's currently available. Some of it may not be. Much of it may not be, in fact. A link to the manufacturer's website, that's where we just were, along with a link to the most current catalog. So they're definitely back in business. This catalog is only a couple of years old. Good for them. Very happy. It's a great product line. Here's your replacement pads. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. I suppose not too very much to say about a replacement clamps, pads, I should say. Pads will get nicked, they'll get dinged, they'll get glue on them, they'll get accidentally cut. You put it down something that's, you know, they get fatigued is the bottom line. And you want to have clean pads so that when you tighten your clamp down to your work, you're not impressing into the work whatever particulate has been embedded into the pad itself. Don't know that that's necessarily an issue with this, because no one would really be clamping to the workpiece itself. You'd have a block. A trick that I like to use is wax paper. I didn't invent that, but wax paper is nice because any glue that comes out, it will prevent the glue that is oozing out of your work, the small amount that will likely come out, from making contact with your wood block, so that when you remove your clamp, now your blocks are glued down to your workpiece. That's never good. You pull that off and you've taken some veneer with you. That's never good. Wax paper. We would go to the public, I was about to say to the Publix, that's a grocery store chain in the southeast, or Jewel if you're from Chicago, to use another Chicago reference. We'd buy 10 rolls of it at a time, 10 rolls of wax paper at a time. Any questions on the AC7437 replacement set of pads or any other Jorgenson product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.